If you are on the lookout for strategies that will help you increase conversion in your next launch, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I will share the top 6 strategies for writing powerful sales emails that will help you unlock higher conversions. So, let's get started. Number 1, craft a compelling subject line. Your subject line is the first thing your recipients will see when your email arrives in their inbox. So make it count. Craft a compelling subject line that sparks curiosity and entices them to open the email. Some action steps around this would be for you to use your power words, numbers, or personalization to grab attention. Test different subject line variations to find what works best. Most email marketing platforms would have A/B testing functionalities for you to test your subject lines. Strategy 2, personalize your email. Personalization can significantly improve your email's effectiveness. It is so very important because it makes your audience feels the connection as if you know them when you call them by their first name. Address your recipient by name and tailor the content to their specific needs and preferences. Some things to do around this will be for you to use your recipient's name in the greeting. Hello, hi name, hello name, what's up name, depending on your brand tone, just ensure that you're calling out their name. Also, segment your email list to deliver tailored content based on their interests or behaviors. Usually, a business would have more than 2, 3, 4 audiences with slightly different or very different needs. When you segment your email list, it is very easy for you to speak your customer's language and send to them the correct message that is meant for them. That way you get more engagement and you get more inquiry. Strategy 3, write clear and concise copy. Keep your email copy clear and concise to make it easy for your recipients to understand your message and take action. Do not ramble on and on and on. Ensure that you are passing across the major idea that you want them to know about. Some action steps around this will be for you to focus on one main idea or offer per email. Your emails will usually be easily read and understand if you're passing across only one idea or offer in your email. Use short sentences and paragraphs to improve the readability of your email. Strategy 4, highlight the benefits. When you send emails to your audience, focus on the benefits of your products or services. Rather than just listing the features of your product or your service, show your recipients how your offering can solve their problems or improve their lives. This will come from the fact that you understand their pain points. When you understand their pain points, then you understand how to alleviate these pain points. This is what you want to pass across when you send them an email. Some action steps around this will be for you to first identify your audience's pain points and then clearly communicate how your product or service addresses those pain points. Strategy 5, include a strong call to action. A clear and persuasive call to action is very crucial for driving conversions. Tell your recipients exactly what you want them to do and make it easy for them to take action. You don't want it to be confusing to them. You don't want them to start having a prolonged time of considering what to do. This is why your call to action has to be straight to the point. You have to ensure that it is not difficult for them to make the decision of taking the action that you want them to take. So use action-oriented language for your CTA and make sure that your CTA stands out visually within the email. So you want to ensure that your call to action is just not only a link, it could be a button, or you could use a different color to differentiate it. Strategy 6, test and optimize. Finally, test and optimize your sales emails to maximize their effectiveness. This is very important so that you can monitor your email performance, you can analyze the data, and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. Test different email elements, such as subject lines, test your copy, test your CTAs, meaning that you should have a variation of all these things, and test which one gives you the best results. Analyze the metrics that you get from this testing and apply the insights to future emails that you will get. You would realize that your open rates and your click rates will definitely improve after you use all these results that you get from testing. As you keep implementing them, your email engagement will keep increasing. And that's it. By implementing these top 6 strategies, you will be on your way to writing powerful sales emails that drive higher conversions. Remember, the key is to be personal. Focus on benefits and continually optimize your approach. So put these strategies into action and watch your conversions soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and insights. And if you have any questions or additional strategies to share, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Plus, I'm also in the comment section answering all your questions. I'll see you in the next video.